everyone, welcome to Fource tutorials. This is your friend Ganesh. The topic that we'll be looking into today is switch cases. Again, we'll be doing it with console application in C#. First we'll look into the syntax part of it. So there is a switch keyword and then followed by an expression. Okay, this expression is evaluated once and then they will check out for this expression in the different cases that you have given. If it satisfies any of the cases, that code block, that respective code block will be executed and then the statement will come, then it will be coming out of it. Okay, so here you can see the switch expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the values of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of the code is executed, otherwise it will come out. Now there are two things, break and default, that I have mentioned over here. I will tell you about it later on. Let's look into an example. We'll look out for a program. We'll do a program wherein we'll be doing it, say test for vowels. So first let me define a character, say ch. Console.writeLine enter a character. So what I want to do out here is I want to take a character from the user and to test whether it is a vowel or not. Console dot read. Now this will be showing an error, so I need to typecast it. So this is the way I typecast it. The thing is, whatever you take out from the console is in a form of a string, so you need to transform it into a character. So that's why this typecasting was needed. So now switch. The expression will be ch, that is where my character is getting stored. Now, so I have my case. Again, it is a character, so I would like to put it in a single inverted commas. So there are two ways of writing it. One, I can write directly out here, console.writeLine and I can say break. This is one way. But in this case, I have to write the same block of code for all the alphabets, that is like A, E, I, O, U, and then the capitals forms of it also. So that will lead to extra line of codes. So what I will do is, I will mention all the cases together. So that will reduce my line of codes. I'm a bit too lazy, so I'll go for copy pasting it out. And then just changing the alphabets. Now over here I will mention console.writeLine ch, that is the character, is a vowel. You can do in the first format also and in this format also. This is just going to help you reduce the line of codes. And say break default console dot write line. So in case it does not fall into any of these above characters, it is a consonant. So that's my switch case. Console dot read key. That's it. I'll execute. So enter a character, let's say G, say enter. So G is a consonant. Again let me try whether I can get a vowel correctly. I say A, and A is a vowel. So there you go. Now a few things that you need to note on. If you have already looked into my previous videos, here is something that I have used for the first time, that is console.read. Now because I want to take only a character out, so that's the reason I have used console.read. In case I want to take a complete string out, I would have used console.readLine. That is one change from my previous videos. And the other thing over here is this console.read key. Okay, so console.readLine and console.read key, there is just a minor difference between both of them. Console.readLine, you come out of it only after you press an enter, while console.read key, you press any key and you will be able to come out of your console. Okay, so you can try it on your own. Just a bit of brief into what is break and default before we finish. Here you go. So break, when C# reaches a break keyword, it breaks out of the switch block. This will stop the execution of more code and case testing inside the block. So it will reduce the time that it takes in reading all those block of codes that you have written. Okay, it will easily come out of it. That helps to reduce the time again. So the way I did it was about reducing the line of code. So you can try it.